Meet Mr. Zen, a dedicated technician at XYZ Utilities plant. One morning, Mr. Zen receives a digital notification from the Gen AI system. This isn't just any alert, it's a predictive maintenance insight. The system has detected an issue with a critical pump and predicts a failure within the next 48 hours. Thanks to this early warning, Mr. Zen can address the issue before it disrupts operations. But where can he find the replacement parts? His colleague guides him to the Mastech Intelligent Parts Management tool. Traditionally, finding parts was a time-consuming process, but not anymore. Mr. Zen quickly finds the exact part he needs and places an order. The tool predicts availability and ensures the part is shipped promptly. With the part in hand, Mr. Zen heads to the pump. The Gen AI system provides a comprehensive repair history and step-by-step maintenance procedures, making the repair process efficient and error-free. In no time, the pump is fixed, and Mr. Zen's day is productive and stress-free. This isn't just Mr. Zen's story. With Gen AI and Mastech Intelligent Parts Management, technicians everywhere can experience smoother operations, reduced downtime, and safer working conditions. Discover the future of maintenance with Gen AI and Mastech Intelligent Parts Management.